The next great event which will be discussed is the divine revelation revealed to the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, namely, the Holy Quran. Chapter 25 Al-Furqan, verse 32.
And those who disbelieve say, why was the Quran not revealed to him all at once? Thus it is that we may strengthen thereby your heart. And we have spaced it distinctly.
As indicated by this verse, the Holy Quran was revealed in stages. This indicates that Muslims must increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, step by step and regularly, over time. This involves using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. They are not expected to become saints overnight. This will allow them to comfortably gain and act on Islamic knowledge and fulfill all their others' duties throughout the day. In addition, Muslims must fulfill all three aspects of the Holy Quran if they desire to be rightly guided by it. The first is to recite it correctly and regularly in order to please Allah, the Exalted. The next aspect is to understand its meaning by studying it from a reliable source, and the final stage is to act on the teachings of the Holy Quran according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Unfortunately, many Muslims are content to remain on the lowest level and only recite it. This defies the real purpose of the Holy Quran, as it is a book of guidance, not a book of recitation. One can only increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience by studying and acting on it. Merely reciting it will not achieve this important goal, especially when most Muslims do not understand the Arabic language. Finally, it is important to understand that even though the Holy Quran is a cure for worldly problems, a Muslim should not only use it for this purpose. Meaning, they should not only recite it in order to fix their worldly problems thereby, treating the Holy Quran like a tool which is removed during a difficulty and then placed back in a toolbox. The main function of the Holy Quran is to guide one to the hereafter safely. Neglecting this main function and only using it to fix one's worldly problems is not correct, as it contradicts the behavior of a true Muslim. It is like the one who purchases a car with many different accessories, yet it possesses no engine. There is no doubt that this person is simply foolish. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.